This video is to show you that a block wall, which is called a CMU, which is comprised of sand, limestone, and pebble, can be rotted out from water that is acidic. I'm up here in the Poconos. This guy had his company come in here and cut the floor out and put this, looks almost like a mirror drain. But the problem is it was too late. You can see right here, this wall is actually deteriorating from acid load. I can literally stick my finger right through the wall and take chunks of wall out. So, a lot of people think that waterproofing is all about taking care of the water that's on the floor. But really, it's about getting the water out of the walls is the most important thing. Let me show you over here. You can see right here a hole has developed right in the wall. And you can see water has come out from the bottom block and has basically eaten this wall up.